Zinc, everything you need to know. Health benefits. Boosts your immune system. Accelerates wound healing. May reduce the risk of certain age-related diseases. Decreases inflammation. Enzymatic reactions. Protein synthesis. DNA synthesis. May help treat acne. 21st Century Zinc Review. Description: Chelated. Antioxidant support. Mineral supplement. Gluten-free. Guaranteed quality, laboratory tested. Zinc 50 mg is an important antioxidant mineral that supports the immune system. Suggested use: as a mineral supplement, adults take 1 tablet daily with any meal or as directed by a healthcare provider. Do not exceed recommended dosage. Individual results may vary. Other ingredients: cellulose, stearic acid. Contains 2% of Croscarmellose sodium, hydroxypropyl methylcellulose, magnesium stearate, maltodextrin, PEG, polyvinyl alcohol, silicon dioxide, talc, titanium dioxide. No added sugar, yeast, preservatives or artificial flavors. Warnings: consult a healthcare provider prior to use if pregnant, nursing, on medications, have a medical condition or are planning a medical procedure. Stop use and contact a physician if adverse reactions occur. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use if product appears to be tampered with or seal is broken. Store at room temperature. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.